Good morning, children and parents. Welcome to Standard 1 English Grammar class. Today we shall study Chapter 2 Myself from your Grammar Roots book. Now let us see fill in blanks. First one. My name is Dash. Here you have to write your name. If your name is Akash, you will write Akash. If your name is Riya, you will write your name Riya. Next one. I live in. Where do you live in? You all live in Patna. So here you will write Patna with capital P. Next, I am studying in. You all know in which class you study. So here you will write your class. Number 4. The name of my school is. You all know the name of your school. So here you will write the name of your school. Number 5. I go to school by dash. Some of you come to school by bus, some of you come to school by van, some by car. So you will write the vehicle by which you come to school. So here I'll write I go to school by bus. Next, I have a pet. I have a pet. Here you will write your pet. If you have a dog, you will write dog. If you have a cat, you will write cat. So here I will write I have a pet dog. Next, I usually write with a, what do you write with? You usually write with a pencil. I usually write with a pencil. Next one, I carry my books in a bag to school. I drink dash for breakfast. What do you drink for your breakfast? Milk. I drink milk for breakfast. Number 10. I go to dash at 8 o'clock. I go to bed. I go to bed at 8 o'clock. I have left few blanks for you to fill. Moving on to our next topic. Children, what are the main festivals celebrated in India? Yes, Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Eid, etc. Children, can you tell me which festival is celebrated in the month of March? Yes, Holi is celebrated in the month of March. So today we shall learn 7 sentences about Holi. What is Holi, children? Number 1, Holi is the festival of colors. So we'll write Holi is a festival of colors. Holi is a When is it celebrated? It is celebrated in the month of March every year. Number 2, it is celebrated in the month of March every year. Why do we celebrate Holi, children? Holi is celebrated to mark the victory of good over evil. So it is celebrated to remind the victory of good over evil. Holi is a festival which reminds us the victory of good over evil. What do we wear on Holi? We wear white clothes on Holi. Number 4. We wear white clothes on Holi. What do we play Holi with? We play Holi with bright organic colors such as red, yellow and green. Number 5. We play Holi with bright organic colors like red, green, yellow, etc. What is prepared in this festival? Sweets like malpuas and gujias are prepared on this festivals. Sweets like malpuas and gujias Children love playing with colors using pitchkaris, buckets and balloons. See children, this is a pitchkari. Number 7. Children love playing with colors using pitchkaris, buckets. And balloons. Children, I hope you have understood these topics nicely. The worksheet and the book exercises related to these topics will be uploaded on your website. Kindly go through and practice well.